Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's all about bringing glam to your everyday look. We're talking about the Glam era shoulder-length bob wig in the stunning GF16-22 Iced Sweet Cream shade. If you're looking for a sleek, trendy style that's both easy to maintain and versatile, this one might just be your next go-to. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let me give you the basics. This wig comes in an average cap size, and the length ranges from 10 inches at the front to 8.25 inches on the sides, with a tapered cut in the back. It's lightweight at just 4.55 ounces, so it won't weigh you down, but it packs a lot of style. The key material here is true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can use heat tools on it without worrying about damage. Let's take a closer look at how it holds up in real life. First off, getting this wig on and styled was a breeze. The comfort cap, with its temple-to-temple sheer lace front and stretch material, gives a custom-like fit, and I could definitely feel the difference in terms of comfort compared to other wigs I've tried. It's snug but not tight, thanks to the velvet-lined ear tabs and the ultra-thin hook and loop adjusters on the nape. I could easily adjust it to fit my head perfectly without feeling restricted. One thing I really appreciated was how lightweight it feels. I was able to wear it for hours without any discomfort, which is crucial if you're going for an all-day look. And the fact that this wig comes with a center monofilament part really made it feel natural, giving me that realistic scalp appearance. It's these little details that set it apart from other wigs. When it comes to styling, this wig is all about ease and versatility. The true-to-life synthetic fibers can be flat ironed, curled, or blown out, so you've got tons of options depending on your mood. I tried curling it to add some volume, and it held up beautifully. The sleek, one-length bob cut is modern and chic, but with the ability to tweak the style however you like, you can keep it fresh every time you wear it. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this wig. On the plus side, I love the versatility of the style. It's sleek, chic, and can easily be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. The comfort cap is another win, as it gives a snug yet comfortable fit, and the adjustable straps make it easy to get the perfect fit without worrying about it slipping throughout the day. Plus, the true-to-life fibers make it feel a lot like human hair, so you can really experiment with different looks. On the flip side, one thing I did notice was that the wig's color, while stunning in the photos, may look a little different in various lighting. The GF16-22 Iced Sweet Cream is a beautiful blend, but depending on where you are, the color might appear a little more subtle than expected. If you're someone who's particular about color accuracy, this might be something to consider. When it comes to value for money, this wig does sit in a mid-range price point, but I'd say it's totally worth it. Given the quality of the material and the flexibility in styling, it offers excellent value. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but when you take into account how natural it looks and how comfortable it is to wear, I think it justifies the cost. As for comparisons, if you're looking for a similar style in a lower price range, you might consider checking out other heat-friendly synthetic wigs that offer similar styles. But keep in mind, they may not have the same attention to detail in terms of comfort and natural-looking parting. This is where the Glam era really stands out for me. In terms of build quality, the true-to-life synthetic fibers are a nice touch, and the wig itself feels sturdy without being too bulky. The lace front and temple-to-temple sheer lace are nice quality too, helping the wig to feel more breathable and less itchy, which is always a concern with synthetic wigs. Plus, it's really easy to care for. Just make sure you're following the care instructions to maintain the longevity of the fibers. Now, as far as customer support goes, I haven't had to reach out to the brand personally, but from what I've gathered, Gabor offers decent support and is responsive when it comes to any inquiries or issues. That's always a plus when you're investing in a product like this. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are definitely other shoulder-length bob wigs out there. But if you're after one that combines both quality and style flexibility, the Glam era stands out as a solid option. So, what's my final verdict? This is a solid choice if you're looking for a sleek, easy to wear, and versatile wig that can be styled in multiple ways. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep up with trends without spending too much time on maintenance. The fit and feel are top-notch, and the heat-friendly fibers are a major bonus. If you're someone who wants a stylish bob but doesn't want to compromise on comfort or versatility, this is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. Your support really helps us keep bringing you great content like this. Thanks so much for watching today, and if you've tried this wig or any others in the Glam Era collection, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.